Hello guys, today I am going to share this table how to get data in text box in PHP. It's very easy and simple. You can search specifically like that type here, type 1, then click search button. You can see student name, classes or phone number. Okay, or you can type 2, then click search button. It's a very easy and simple because so I give you all kinds of source in my website that you see my video description or first comment. You can see one link. Just click here, then you can see this interface and just scroll down, view demo and data source code. Just if you click here, only nanosecond you can get all kinds of data source from here, or specifically you can collect from here, no problem. Then if you see view demo, get all kinds of data source in my website. Okay, and there are a lot of data source in here. So now I'm going to create this table. Please let's start it. If you like this type of video, please must be subscribe my channel and don't hesitate to comment in my video. If you have any question, I'm trying to solve or I'm trying to answer as soon as possible. So guys, so no more today. Thank you very much.